How to link Wealthfront to Empower. Follow my instructions. If you use Empower to track your finances, you can connect your Wealthfront account to see your full net worth in one place. Here's how to link them step by step. Open the Empower app or go to empower.com and log in. From your dashboard, tap Link Account or Add Account. Search for Wealthfront in the list of financial institutions. Once it appears, tap it and enter your Wealthfront login credentials. Empower uses secure encryption to connect to your accounts. After logging in, choose the accounts you want to link, usually your investment and cash accounts. Wait a few seconds while Empower syncs your balances and transactions. Once linked, your Wealthfront data will appear in your Empower dashboard. You can now track your net worth, investment performance, and asset allocation all in one place. If syncing ever fails, try re-entering your login or enabling third-party access from Wealthfront settings. That's how to link Wealthfront to Empower. Thanks for watching.